Hey, what's up guys, Nick here with PhoneArena. Today we're testing the brand new OnePlus 11 and how it records video against the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max. Right now we have the Pro, they're the same camera. But let's pan around and see how these two adjust to different lighting conditions on this bright sunny day. Take a look at the blue skies and then the slightly more shadowy areas. Alright. Do you see any differences and which one you think looks better? But follow me around as we also test the video stabilization. Alright, if we stop right here, you see that right now we're shooting against the sun, which is a pretty challenging situation for both of these phones. It requires a lot of dynamic range. So do you see any differences right now? And which one do you think does a better job recording video? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, next up we have video recording at night on the OnePlus 11 and the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max. Right now we're using the smaller Pro version, but the cameras are the same. You can see right here that the exposure on the OnePlus is much darker. You can actually see the skies on the iPhone, but you also have quite a bit of flaring here, as you can see, a known issue on the iPhone. And as we point the cameras towards the trees, you can again see pitch black in the skies, while you can actually see them on the iPhone, which is much better in my opinion. Check out the flaring here, it's really bad because of that lamp. But that's one thing you have to kind of deal with when you use the iPhone. Still, the quality looks very clean, the exposure is right, and the OnePlus just looks very dark. That's all I have to say right now. Alright, as we point towards these signs, the iPhone does a beautiful job of exposing this. So let's also walk towards the sign here so you can get a feeling of the video stabilization on both of these phones. Which one does better in terms of video stabilization? And again, you can see the much darker picture out of the OnePlus really stands out here. Right, let me know which one do you prefer, the OnePlus or the iPhone.